Hello friends, welcome back to Carla's Kitchen. Today we are making chamoy chicken for taco night. So we'll start off with 1.5 cups of cooked chicken spread out so that we can add all of our seasonings on before we go into the pan. I've got pre-cooked chicken here that I'm just going to be reheating for taco night, but you can use, you can cook your chicken just ahead of time if you choose to. This is just a way for us to get some leftovers gone out of the fridge. So I'm going to start with spreading a teaspoon of adobo over top of all the chicken. And as always, you can use more or less of each ingredient. It's up to your preference for what you and your family like. Next, I'm going to go in with about 1/2 teaspoon of Tajin. It can get a little spicy if you use a lot of it, so we just add enough for flavor. And I'm going to use a teaspoon of cilantro, lime, salt, and pepper. You can use plain salt and pepper if you prefer. And then I'm going to use about a teaspoon of this particular spice here, which I will not butcher the name of. And lastly, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of chipotle powder off camera because I forgot to get it out when I started recording. We're going to get a pan out big enough to hold all of your chicken, and over a medium heat, melt about 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once your butter is mostly melted, go ahead with the pre-seasoned chicken straight into the pan. And if there's any seasoning remaining on the plate or wherever the bowl you mixed in, go ahead and scrape that into the pan as well. We don't want to leave any of that flavor behind. Next, you'll want to give your chicken a little stir just to make sure everything gets a little bit of the butter on there and that the seasoning is well combined throughout the chicken. Once you're done stirring, go ahead and spread your chicken out into an even layer in the pan. And you'll get your chamoy sauce out and go ahead and drizzle that over top of all of the chicken. If you've never had chamoy sauce, it's a tangy, slightly fruity flavored sauce. Although it's bright red, it is not hot in the least bit. Once your chicken is drizzled, go ahead and give it another stir to make sure all the pieces get a good coating of the sauce. And after everything is coated, go ahead and flatten your chicken out to a single layer once more. Now, depending on how saucy you like your chicken, I like my taco meat to have a little sauce to it. I go back in with another drizzle on top. that's pretty much it. You're going to leave it in the pan until the sauce and the chicken is warmed up. And then you're going to serve this with your favorite taco fixings. So if it's tortilla or hard taco shells, whatever side you like to have, cheese, salsa, beans, what have you. And just make your tacos as regular, just substituting, standard ground beef with the taco seasoning with this chamoy chicken instead. Do give it a try. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for stopping by today. Bye-bye.